मतलब can I say a bigger atom is becoming into smaller atoms? So when we have a big, huge atom, let's say for example we have uranium. Uranium is our favorite example. Uranium 235 है मेरे पास. Uranium के बहुत varieties है. So 235, 92. This is uranium. Now uranium को अभी तो uranium तो अपना radioactivity तो उसका चल ही रहा है. But nuclear fission is a man-made activity. We always bombard. Fission मतलब क्या? Rupture, breaking down. We are going to bombard the nucleus of uranium with a slow-moving neutron. What are we going to bombard it with? Slow-moving neutron. Neutron यही है ना? No charge, one mass. So what happens here is it becomes it can become many things. It can become barium 14456 plus krypton that is 89. हमेशा याद रखना इसका total sum should be and 3 neutrons are released. Or it can also split and become. There are these examples are there in your textbook. You will just have to remember them. Uranium again I am bombarding it. Same uranium. Bombard हमेशा किससे करेंगे हम लोग? One slow moving neutron. What am I bombarding it with? Slow moving neutron. It can also become lanthanum. And it can become bromine. Plus 3 neutrons are released. Is it clear? So can I say one huge atom is breaking down and becoming 2 different atoms? Can I say? So can I say there is fission happening? Big atom is becoming 2 small atoms. And it is also releasing 3 neutrons. So what is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is the process. Lanthanum. Process in which ये एकदम textual definition लिखना पड़ेगा. In which a heavy nucleus, isn't it a heavy nucleus? Heavy nucleus is splitted or ruptured into 2 light nuclei. Is it? These are lighter, na? Lighter than uranium or not? One heavy will become 2 light. So इसको add करोगे तो same ही result मिलेगा. Into 2 lighter nuclei by bombarding it with a slow moving neutron. And what is the energy released? Almost 190 mega electron volts. समझ में आया? Nuclear fission. So let's try to understand what is nuclear fission. Fission हो गया. Fusion मतलब किसको बोलते हैं? Fusion. दो चीजें साथ में fusion dance, भरतनाट्यम और Latin dance साथ में कर रहे हैं. Fusion मतलब क्या? 2 things are coming together. So in this case 2 lighter nuclei are coming together making one big nuclei. This is also the reaction that happens on the surface of the sun.
कोई ऐसे कर दिया तो?
Yes. इसको नहीं कर सकते. बहुत light वाले करते हैं.
मतलब इसका उल्टा ही हुआ.
उल्टा ही हुआ. But इसको इस साइड लिखा, इसको इस साइड लिखा तो नहीं होगा. So here there is no bombardment that is happening. Either we had to use this extra neutron or not. But here what is happening on the surface of the sun? One hydrogen is this only, na? Plus another hydrogen comes together and becomes 1 hydrogen 3 plus 1 hydrogen 1. This is what? Protium. Protium है ना? Plus 4 electron volt, mega electron volt का energy release होगा. Now this 3 hydrogen जो है, ये एक और hydrogen के साथ, ये hydrogen बहुत है sun के surface में. एक और hydrogen के साथ react करता है और बन जाता है एक helium. 1 helium and 1 neutron is released along with 17.6 mega electron volt. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा आपको. फिर से ये अभी एक और हाइड्रोजन 2 और एक और हाइड्रोजन also released with 1 neutron and 3.3 mega electron volt of energy. And once again we have 3-2 वाला हीलियम जो बना इधर, इसका तो abundance है ना दुनिया में, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसके साथ रिएक्ट करके फिर से ये रिएक्शन होता रहेगा. Why am I showing you so many reactions? Because nuclear fission is a multiplying, मतलब constant, spontaneous and huge, मतलब बहुत जल्दी ये रिएक्शन सारे हो जाते हैं, like a pyramid scheme. एक से चार, मतलब 2 से 1 हुआ, फिर से 1 से 1 के साथ एक बड़ा एक कुछ बन जाएगा, फिर से it will blast again. So basically this is a constant process. It's a never-ending process on the surface of the sun. And this nuclear fusion leads to the creation of photon. क्या create होता है? Photon. That's the light energy that we are getting from the surface of the sun. उसको बोलते हैं photon. क्या बोलते हैं? Photon.
तो ऐसा
और आपके जो 18.3
ये सब एनर्जी रिलीज हो रहा है.
पर वो जो सेकेंड वाला आपने लिखा नहीं वो
Okay, so what is nuclear fusion? Nuclear fusion is a process where 2 lighter nuclei combines to form, very good. नहीं, bombarding नहीं.
without bombarding.
But a huge amount of energy is released. Nucleus with a release of huge amount of energy.
ये हाइड्रोजन
That energy is the energy which is photon, which is on the surface of the sun, because of which we get light. Gee, because of which
हाइड्रोजन
we get light. बहुत हाइड्रोजन है सन के सरफेस.
इतना नहीं है कि हाइड्रोजन
नहीं, ये एक एग्जाम्पल है फ्यूजन का. फ्यूजन बहुत तरीके का होता है. दिस इज नेचुरल फ्यूजन, नेचुरली अकरिंग फ्यूजन. फिशन इज ऑलवेज मैन-मेड. ऐसा कोई नहीं है भगवान आके एक न्यूट्रॉन छोड़ने वाला, कभी भी नहीं होता है. हमको ही करना है ये सब कांड, हम ही करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेडियोएक्टिव डीके एंड न्यूक्लियर फिशन? रेडियोएक्टिव डीके इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस. Nuclear fission is a man-made process. Radioactive fission does not require any neutron, but the nuclear fission requires one slow-moving neutron. Nucleus always in radioactive decay will emit alpha, beta, gamma particles. यहाँ पे कोई emission हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
Bombardment of heavy nucleus of neutron, just energy is released. Only energy is released. Rate of radioactive decay, can we stop it? जब तक वो stabilize नहीं होगा तब तक वो होता रहेगा कि नहीं डीके. न्यूक्लियर फिशन को bombardment बंद कर तो रुक गया. Okay, what is the difference between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion? Will you be able to identify the difference? एक चीज जरूरी है, this can happen at ordinary temperature and pressure, but nuclear fusion which is also can happen naturally, this requires high temperature, high pressure. मतलब जरूरत भी है हाई टेम्परेचर और रिलीज भी हाई टेम्परेचर करता है. आफ्टर रिएक्शन आल्सो इट विल रिलीज वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर, बट इट आल्सो नीड्स हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर व्हिच इज ओनली प्रेजेंट एट द सरफेस ऑफ द सन. अंडरस्टूड?